Today is a very special day. Well, you may ask, we have a big unboxing to do. So I have been searching everywhere for some good quality storage boxes that look good and also quite affordable. So I'm here to review Sneak Supply's new storage crates that they do for sneakers. Without further ado, let's get into it. Now I've tried out a lot of these storage boxes, right? And a lot of them have either been too small or doesn't look right or too expensive or doesn't go with my room and so on. So I'm interested to see how these are. So let's get straight into it. Before we do get into it, guys, I have got to say this is a sponsored video, okay? However, I did say to Sneak Supply that I'm going to be giving my honest review. If it's I'll say it's right then, let's get into this. So this is what I see when I open them. So we have been given 6 of their new LED V2 storage crates, which I am absolutely buzzing for because these are gonna look so sick in my videos. I've been sent 3 black ones and 3 white ones. So let's build them and review them. Now I'm gonna be interested to see how easy these are to build because if you don't know me, I am the worst person at building things. The IKEA flat pack stuff, I cannot build. That storage rack over there took me 4 hours to build when it was just about 3 steps. Let's just say I'm not the smartest of people. This tells you how to control the LED lights. You can actually change the color apparently. And on the back of the box, you do have the instructions, which hopefully you can see there. But you know what? I don't need instructions. I'm gonna do it myself. As you can see, it's all kind of flat packed, I assume, into 4 bits. 4? Actually, it'd be more than 4, wouldn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bits. This has got to be a side. Ooh, nice branding. A T on, so hopefully, I mean, that's the top. This must be obviously the lid, and this, he destroyed it. All right, let's get rid of all this rubbish. I've just tilted the camera down so you can actually see what I'm doing. So I assume this is the bottom, I assume this is the side, so I'm gonna see if it goes together. Look at this. And we're in there like swimwear. Line it up. In there like swimwear. Oh, even a click. Right, this is the top, so I assume, make sure that's lined up. And we're in. And we're in. Lines up. Ta-da! Bang! Jeez! I am buzzing with that. So far, I'm happy, but we're not done yet because I need to make sure these actually fit shoes first. What a big shoe have I got? These are size 12s, all right? I've never had these before. They're not too tall, they're not big enough, so let's see if they pass the test. Look! Oh my God, it is literally a perfect fit. Now before we light these up, because they do light up, I'm gonna open the white one as well. You can do a little time lapse for this, because now I'm gonna be speedy as anything. Ta-da! This is what I love about them. Completely perfect. Like, completely perfect. Have this little lock-on part, which all of them will light up at the same time. I mean, look at that. This is gonna look so fire with 6 stacked up. So they have also sent me a cheaper option, which is just the V1 crate. So these actually don't have any LEDs on. However, a lot of people don't really want them to, you know, line up and look cool. They just want some good storage boxes. So these are the exact same size, just don't have the LEDs in there. So if you're looking for just a good storage container and it looks good in display, maybe your room's already lit up, you don't really need that, then I do recommend the V1 crates. However, if you're extra like me, who likes a dark room with it lit up and make me look all cool, then the V2 crates may be for you, and they're the ones that, you know, LED, they all literally light up with 1 plug. Even if you have 6, you can link them all together on 1 stack and then plug them in, which is what I love about these. And also, don't worry, the V1 crates also stack on top of the V2 crates, so it works either way. They have also sent me the new cleaning kit, which this spray I haven't actually tried out, but we were trying that in a different video. So this is like the spray you put on your shoes. And then this is a cleaning kit that they have recently released. So you get the foam solution, which kind of use for all materials. You get your own Sneak Supply brush, and you also get your own Sneak Supply cloth, which is quite a cool feature. I know this is irrelevant, but it smells really good. The moment you've all been waiting for though, I'm gonna unbox them all and stack them up and show you what they look like lit up. Let's get it! absolutely buzzing with these crates. I put a nice little blue LED light behind it and it just makes it pop even more. As I did mention, this is a sponsored video, so we have got a nice discount code for you. If you use code KAI10, you will get 10% off any product you want. If this is just the V1 crates, like the LED lights, or the V2 crates that you see behind me, or even if you want to pick up their cleaning kit, I'll leave their links in the description. The boxes fit the sneakers perfect. It's really easy to set up, and what I love about it is all of them lights are just connected to the one bottom plug that connects to the bottom one. As you saw, as I put one on top of the other one, it lit up automatically, which is what I love about these. I could stack up 20 of these if I wanted to. I'm definitely gonna have to pick up some more to match it with the lighting. I'd love to be able to get rid of this to get another LED light up bit there. That would just look insane. Apart from that, guys, drop a like on today's video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about these crates down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.